Hi, in this short video tutorial I will walk you through the steps of installing analytic reporting tool for your CRM system. First off, go to the administration panel and locate the module loader. Here, click Browse and locate and select your analytic reporting installation package. And upload. Once the upload is done, you can see it in the lower section with the module name and the version. Simply click Install, accept the license. The installation might take a while, depending on your system. Once the installation is done, simply go back to the module loader and Analytic Reporting tool is ready for use. Let's open Analytic Reporting. Here you can see the report tree with all the folders and the reports. Let's open any folder and any report. And you should see your report load and have all your data already visible. And you can confirm that Analytic Reporting has been installed successfully. Some instances of analytic reporting might prompt you to download fonts for PDF creation. If you are having any problems with the installation process, the most common causes may be file permission restrictions, upload and post size limitations, and sometimes a repair and rebuild might resolve the issue. In any case, do not hesitate to contact BI Sapiens support, and we will work towards resolving any issue you might have.